Hello friends, in this video I will show how to write fourth root in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, then Equation, and in this second line you will find these symbols. Select it, this fourth root. So you can write this fourth root, and there is another method. There is a shortcut. This one /QDRT /QDRT. Then press spacebar one time. So this is the way you can write this symbol. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.